Hello children, we are on third part of maths class 4. Let us see exercise 4.3 multiplication. Few word problems I have solved here. Let us see them. The cost of 1 kg rice is rupees 161. Find the cost of 68 kg of rice. So like this you will write, your statement will be cost of 1 kg rice is rupees 161. Cost of 68 kg rice is rupees 161 into 68. That is rupees 10,948. You can do the rough work at the right hand side. In your copy, I think it is given rough work space, do at the right hand side. Therefore, the cost of 68 kg rice is rupees 10,948. I hope it is clear. Coming to the third question. Second question I have not done. You do for your own practice. Coming to the third question. The cost of a computer game is rupees 398. What will be the cost of 261 such games? So, cost of one computer game. First we will take out one computer game. It is given rupees 398. Then the cost of 261 computer game will be 398 into 261. That is 1,03,878. So the rough work you can see over here, you will do at the right hand side. So the cost of 261 game is rupees 103878. Then coming to question number 4. A doll factory makes 414 dolls every month. How many dolls will it make in 3 years? So 1 year is equal to 12 months, we all know that. So in 1 month a factory makes 414 dolls. So in 12 months it will make 414 into 12. That is 4,968 dolls. First we will take out, as it is given month wise, so we will take out month, then only we will convert it into year. So we all know that 12 month is 1 year. So in 1 year a factory makes 4,968 dolls. Similarly in 3 year a factory makes 4,968 into 3, that is 14,904 dolls. In 3 years it will make. Therefore in 3 years a factory will make 14,904 dolls. Coming to question number 6. The weight of a bag is 5856 gram. What will be the weight of 175 bags? So the weight of a bag, one bag, is 5856 gram. The weight of 175 bag is 5856 into 175. That is 1024800 gram. You can do the rough work at the side. So therefore the weight of 175 bag is 1024800 gram. Coming to question number 7. A bus travels 252 km in 1 day. How much distance will it cover in 1 year? 1 year is 365 days, already given in your book. So 1 day, 1 year is 365 days, you will keep it in a bracket and write. Then in 1 day a bus travels 252 kilometers. So in 365 days a bus will travel 252 into 365, that is 91,980 kilometers. So therefore in 1 year the bus will travel 91,980 kilometers. It is asking for 1 year, so I have written here 1 year. But here I have written made it days because 1 day it is given, so it will be easy to take out 365 days. The same denominations I have kept so that it will be easy for it. The same thing, 1 year is 365 days. So coming to the next question, question number 8. A cartoon contains 16 dozens of bananas. How many bananas are there in 850 cartoons? So first of all remember 1 dozen is 12 always. So 16 dozen means 12 into 16, that is 192. 192 bananas, that means in one cartoon or box, whatever you say. In one cartoon, it is there 192 bananas. It is asking how many bananas are there in 850 cartoon. If one cartoon is having 192 bananas, then 850 cartoon is having how much bananas? Let us see now. One cartoon contains 192 bananas. So 850 cartoon contain 192 into 850. That is 163200 bananas. Here I have multiplied with 85, then at last I have put the 0. Multiply with the number, then you put the 0 at the last. So therefore 850 cartoons contain 16300 bananas, or we can say 1,63,200 bananas. Coming to mixed exercise 2, this question is somewhat different, so I have solved it. Rest all the questions are of similar types, you can do by yourself. If a train travels 196 km in 2 hours, find how much will it travel in 5 hours. Here it is given 2 hours, 1 hour is not given. So we have to do what? We have to see first. We have to see here. First we have to take out 2 hours. In 2 hours train travels 196 km. So in 1 hour train will travel 196 by 2, that is 98 km. Always from bigger number to smaller number means divide. In 1 hour train travels 98 km. By dividing we have got this 98 km in 1 hour it is traveling. So in 5 hours how much it will travel? 98 into 5, that is 490 km. Therefore in 5 hours train will travel 490 km. From more number to coming to smaller number, when the number is diminishing, always it will be divide, remember that. So in 2 hours when it is traveling 196, obviously in 1 hour it will be half 196 divided by 2, that is 98 km. So 1 hour when it is taken out, then it will be 5 hours, 98 into 5, easily we can get 490 kilometers. Coming to mixed exercise 1, a bus travels 252 km in 7 days. In the book it is written 262. Printing error is there, it will be 252. How much distance will the bus travel in 1 year if there are 365 days in a year? The same type of question as we have done in mixed exercise 2. In 7 days the bus travels 252 km. So in 1 day how much it will travel? 252 divided by 7, 36 km. First we have to take out 1, then only we can take out 365. From more number when it is decreasing to 1, it will be always divide. 272 divided by 7, so 36 km. In 1 day bus travels 36 km. So in 365 days bus will travel 365 into 36. That is 13,140 km. Therefore in 1 year or 365 days, in the bracket I have written, the bus will travel 13,140 km. Rough work please do at the right hand side. Thank you.